This is the VEL3162 mobile vacuum tube lifter, designed for safe and efficient handling of bagged and packaged materials. The system features a stainless steel mobile base, a stainless steel electric lifting column, and a multi-joint articulated jib arm, offering high flexibility. For different workstations, the electric stainless steel column provides smooth vertical lifting with a maximum working height of up to 1600 manometers, suitable for various pallet heights and stacking conditions. The articulated jib arm, also known as a scissor arm, allows wide working coverage and precise positioning, enabling smooth and effortless operation. The vacuum tube lifter of this model is designed for paper bags and similar packaging, ensuring stable suction and secure handling of loads up to 50 kilograms.